Hey guys, hi, it's Julie, the Creative Chica, just coming to you with a little video to show you a little project share and also to give you the link on how to make it yourself. So I made this for a friend and she's already received it by the time I do this video. I did go online and I have to fix that. I went online and on YouTube and I saw this pretty little pincushion and she sews and I sew, so I thought I would try it. All this is sewn by hand. This is sewn on the machine and these are put on later on with fabric tack, and so it was just the easiest way to get them on there, and there's a lot of it on there, so it's not going to come apart. And the petals, in the video she has them not tacked down, but when I put it on, and so when I put it on, this is the soft side, and it's just like a bracelet. You just go like this, and I made it a little bigger in case her wrist is bigger than mine, but I tacked it down because they were sticking out, and I thought, oh, I don't know if you really like that when you're sewing. You don't want anything in your way, so I went ahead and fabric tacked it down, and it's nice and sturdy, and believe me, fabric tack is such a good glue. So let me explain how to do this. These are two different fabrics. There's the maroon and then the flowered maroon as well. So the maroon one actually starts here, and I could have done this color in here and that would have been pretty, but I just wasn't sure on the placement since it was my first one. And the lady that was making it had all one color, and I thought it would be pretty in two colors. So this is why I did it the way I did it. And then I didn't do a solid color here. I just thought it would be pretty to use some fabric with a little bit of pattern. So anyway, how it starts out is this right here is like a circle. They're all circles. All of these are circles. So this one starts out as a large circle, and then you sew around the edge, you gather it, you stuff it. Okay, there's number one, and then that's the first piece. Now you have here a 1, 2, 3 of these circles, which are a little bit smaller. Let's see, these are smaller or bigger. I can't remember if these were smaller or bigger than these, but you make, again, cut circles, and then you fold it to a half circle so it looks like a taco, and then you fill it with stuffing and sew it, and then now you have these like half moon things, right? So you have 3 of those, and then these, you have 5 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so then you have to watch how she layers them, pins them, and then sews them together, and then you lay it over this, and then you're able to sew it all underneath here. It was a little bit of a challenge being my first time, but it wasn't bad. I would say it's kind of an intermediate project. Maybe you could do it if it's your first time too. If you're not a sewist, you might be able to do it pretty good. It might take you a little longer, but I don't think it's hard. Just watch her. She doesn't talk through her video, but she shows you every step, which is good. And now she uses centimeters. I don't know what country she's from, but she did have some, if you look at the video, there'll be another language sentence. I don't know what it is, but maybe it's talking about, I don't know. I don't know what it's talking about since I don't know that language, but it looks like a Ukrainian or Russian or something like that. It looks like a European script. So anyway, so she doesn't talk through the video. She uses centimeters and inches, but the inches are kind of strange, like 3.2. Well, if you have 3.2, then you might as well just make a 3-inch circle. And I decided that I would go with it, and if it didn't work out, no big deal. I would make another one, and I would work out the amounts. I did figure them out to inches, where it would be just a 1/4 inch, like let's say 3 1/4, 3 1/2. I did not use the centimeters, so I just looked on my centimeter ruler and what was the closest in inches. So I'll show you the ruler. I use this ruler, and let's say it was 8 centimeters. That's 3 1/8 about. So I just made it 3 inches. Okay. So I think the largest one was 11 centimeters, which was a 1/4. So that was easy to do. That's close to a 1/4. So I did the 1/4. So that's what I did. I used my ruler that's got centimeters on the bottom and inches in it. It's really good. I love this. I really love this ruler. I'm sure I got it at Amazon. Here's what the back of it says. Easy Read Ruler by Victor. And that's the front of it. Really nice. I like this one a lot. So anyway, back to this. I did use, you have to cut circles. So I do have a circle cutter, but I did use these as my templates. So this is a Fiskars, and I already have all the things written out because they're etched in, but they're not easy to see. So I used like a 3-inch, and I think I used a 4-inch also, and I think so. I also have these that I was looking at. These are by, let me see. Oh, there's Max. Come here, Max. Hi, baby. These say Essentials 8 of 10. Circles. I don't know that I have that many. I have this one, and then I have this one. So they're all marked. This has a scallop on it. This doesn't. This is, I think, a different maker. Doesn't have a maker, but this is a different company than this one. For sure. I can feel it in the plastic. Anyway, I have a whole oh, I'm sorry, just a moment. I have a whole bag of templates, and that's where they stay, in this little gallon bag. I have Fiskars. I have those, like that circle cutter, but that's not going to work for fabric. I do have one that I remembered after, and it does work for fabric. It's like a compass, and I do have that one. It's by Olfa, and I'm trying to get this stuck in here. And anyway, so I do have one, and this isn't working great. So I will try it again, and hopefully the next one will be a little better. This is a gift for a friend that has a birthday coming up. I think I might need to make more than one because I have another friend with the same month birthday. But anyway, I'm not sure. So I just wanted to show you this that I made. It's cute if you guys want to try your hand at it. Oh, there's cardstock in the middle. This is why I didn't want to, you have to gather it. That's why you see little points here, because it's gathered. But you hear that? That is cardstock, and they tell you to use cardstock. She has it sewn to this. I'm not going to put cardstock and this much fabric through my baby lock. There's no way. I have a craft machine by Janome, but I don't think I would want to do that. So anyway, I just used my fabric tack. Believe me, I've used fabric tack before. It is strong. So that worked really good. I just gave it a generous amount. And yeah, so I did that. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this. And I'll see you guys in the next video.